Okay, so here we are, and it's May 3rd, and I'm going to show you the lettuce. So you could see, hopefully, I don't know if it's too bright out, for you to see the difference from the first video I showed you. It's getting a little bit, getting big enough to maybe transplant some of it. So what you do when you have lettuce like this, you can see it looks like grass, kind of. It's all bushy and very thick. You go in and you pull some out, and yes, you have to waste some of it because it's not big enough. You can toss it in some other salad greens you might have and eat it. But when it gets big enough, let's see, this is probably big enough. See that? It's probably about 3 or 4 inches tall, this one right here. You can actually take it, scoop out some of the dirt next to it, and transplant it where there isn't anything, for it to grow a little bit thicker and bigger. When it's thick like this, the roots don't have any place to really grow, and they're kind of fighting. So you do have to thin that out, and you just go through and you pick some of it out so you leave enough space for everything to start growing. And you can see the snap peas. Look at those. They're about, I would say about 7-8 inches tall now. And I have a makeshift trellis that I built for the snap peas to grow. It is about 5-6 feet tall, and that's how big the snap peas are going to get. So you can notice a big difference from the first video I made to show you. Here's some more lettuce. This is actually like mesclun. So mesclun, you don't really, doesn't really need to get that big. I have actually thinned some of this out and tossed it in other greens that I had bought. So this you don't really let really get too big. And then these are the other heads of lettuce that I purchased. And you can see there's a little bit of growth there. And those are snap peas that I planted a little bit later, so those aren't ready yet to get a trellis behind them. And that's the progress in the garden so far. So it is getting there. We need a little bit more warmth, but it does like this nice sunny weather we've been having for the last couple of days. It has been a little bit of a cool and a wet spring, so it likes the sun. So once the sun really starts coming out, this lettuce will take off. And that's the progress of Miss Paula's garden on May the 3rd.